Hello from Tashkent. It was a very fruitful meeting this morning, a deep diving workshop with a number of players representing the innovation ecosystem here in Uzbekistan. We had accelerators, incubators, venture funds, mentors, institutions and governmental organizations that were all discussing on how we can design collaboratively an innovation challenge for 2023 targeting agri-tech and climate tech innovations. CGIAR Accelerate for Impact platform is a venture space that works to bridge science and entrepreneurship to co-design and accelerate science-based innovations in agriculture and climate tech. So we are here in Uzbekistan to work with all CG centers such as ICARDA, IWMI, the Alliance Bioversity International and CIAT, IFPRI to co-design with local partners an innovation challenge that is targeting agri and climate tech innovations that are developed by talented entrepreneurs here in Uzbekistan.
We're happy with the results of the workshop. So many fruitful discussions on panel discussion and in breakout rooms. I believe that for the agricultural ecosystem and agro-market of Uzbekistan, such innovation challenges are very needed because we need more technological solutions. We need more data for the farmers to base their decisions on. We need more players in our market, and we're happy to welcome innovation challenge in agriculture, in clean tech in Uzbekistan.
Today, in this event, we talked a lot about what are the outstanding issues, problems, barriers that innovations are facing in Uzbekistan, and we also talked about solutions. There are many, but what I personally liked when I was listening to presenters is the issue of knowledge sharing. And here I think that we need to look for some solutions that will have a multiplication effect.
We are working in this sector since 2017, have organized a number of acceleration programs, including Climate Launchpad in Uzbekistan. We can see that there is a definitely gender gap in the sector as well. We have a fewer female founders in the sector, but we hope that this sector will be a great opportunity to include more women.
Сегодня на данном мероприятии мы много говорили об образовании, что необходимо, это очень важно для фермера. Не нужно бояться, главное идти вперед, получать знания. Благодаря данным мероприятиям, которые прошли сегодня, фермер будет получать необходимые знания для того, чтобы внедрять новые технологии в скором времени, которые помогут ему получать максимальный урожай и не загрязнять окружающую среду.
Я занимаюсь новым проектом, стартапом по разработке биоразлагаемых полимерных материалов в агросекторе, применение именно как посевной материал. На данных мероприятиях мы можем знакомиться с нужными людьми, делиться, так скажем, опытом, узнавать что-то новое, развиваться, не стоять на месте, прививать любовь к инновациям, к правильному использованию природных ресурсов.
We need to connect agri-tech idea startup founder with some IT entrepreneur. The biggest problem for non-entrepreneur startups that don't have entrepreneurship background, they think about what can they do, but not what can they sell.
It's been a great event, and we got some great insights from different industry stakeholders, and so we were able to better understand what the concerns are to make the accelerator a big success. Agri-tech is one of our special focuses that we have, and we know that it has a big impact on the climate and the environment and on people's livelihoods here in Uzbekistan. So we'd love to be part of supporting that, and we also do a lot of investments, and we hope that we could find the next big unicorns like we have in other countries.